Warm?
Not too bad. Are you?
No, not bad.
Pretty comfortable still.
Good. I see no fan is on.
Yeah. That's pretty nice not to have to run the fan. You want to say hi to the tubers?
Hi.
Honey Babe's here. She's doing amazing good work out in the RV there.
I'm happy with it.
You're gonna show it after a while, ain't you? It's awesome work. Looking good out there.
I like it.
I like it. I like that you like it, and I like that I like it too. Very good. Very good. Fashioned up a solution to my problem. I wanted something to put some pressure back on the back of this alternator. And there was a screw that goes into the alternator down here. So I made an angle bracket right here. And I made another long angle bracket that I could bend. I fashioned this with a bolt that comes out of the intake manifold that holds a little bracket that helps stabilize this whole thing. And now what I've done is put a second bracket off of that and put a bolt that runs from here to here that I can tighten up. And when I tighten that up, if you'll notice, you'll see that the alternator is gradually being pulled back toward the back of the engine, which helps me to align the belt, but it also puts that added bit of pressure on that I wanted to have there, so that instead of just flopping around, it has something that's sort of pulling it to make it more steady from the back to the front. I get to suggest you, we'll start the motor and see how big of a difference it makes, if any. Probably get a better tool that will allow me to do that a little quicker. Alright, let's start it up and see what that looks like. If I look down that belt line, kind of see when it gets straight-ish. Probably safer if I do that without the motor running. Yeah, there is things to get your hand into up in here. But I can see a line between the pulley and this, and I can tell when it's closer to being aligned just perfectly. And every time I turn this, it does bring it around a little bit more. And I believe it'll also take the looseness out of that. Of course, the straighter that is lined up with that pulley, the less wear and tear there's going to be on that belt. It also probably helps to tighten that belt a little bit, make it good and snug. Boy, it looks pretty good right there. I'll start it back up and we'll take a look at it again. Meter showing charge. I think we're good with that. All right. Thanks for watching.